So do be a little bit careful walking around, because my big ass just walked around there and knocked 2 or 3 of them off. I put them back.
Alright, so the easiest way to get there is to start here. Collettsville General Store. Cool little place, nice people, good food. Got a nice little deli, all that kind of good stuff. Got cool little t-shirts. So, let's go out here and get onto Old Johns River Road. If you've been paying attention to my videos at all, you know that I love this area of North Carolina, just south of Blowing Rock on the map. There's tons and tons of riding back in here. I think it's registered as one of the top 10 oddities of North Carolina. Whatever that's worth. So, but I actually haven't been out here since the hurricane. It may not be here anymore. Good signal. Good job. Nailed it. Wrap down the scrambler. Scrambler's been feeling neglected lately. Been doing a lot of tiger ride, bigger roads, bigger pictures, that kind of thing. You know, you could do this on anything from a sport to a Grom to a cruiser to whatever. If you come from the Blowing Rock direction, you're probably going to be on some dirt roads. If you come from the Lenore direction, you don't really have to be on any dirt roads. This bridge here has seen better days, but it's a big old drop off right there. Assuming this is Old Johns River. Here's a vine. If I started to reach out there and grab it and pull on it, then I wasn't sure if it was attached at the bottom or not. I don't think it was, but we'll do something stupid later. My phone has warned me 87 times that it's probably going to rain here in a little bit. So we're going to have some of those Appalachian Mountain thunderstorms, where it likes to remind you that it actually is a temperate rainforest, not just a bunch of mountains. You can see all the coffee cups hanging here. Oh good, it's shady.
See if we can get a cool angle on it here.
Alright, so the story goes about 20 years ago, a guy named Avery Sisk and his wife Doris, they had this cabin, and they were at a flea market, and they got a really good deal on some coffee mugs. So they didn't know what to do with all of them, so he just started hanging them on the house. And then he kept doing it, kept buying more and more and more and more, until the house was basically completely covered. It's estimated there's somewhere between 20 and 34,000 coffee mugs at this house, and you can actually add your own if you'd like to. And I will tell you that there is a MotoTales coffee mug on this house. All you have to do is find it, send me a picture of it, I'll give you some free stuff. But it's not going to be easy because, trust me, there are a lot of coffee mugs. So unfortunately, Avery passed away in 2023, but you can still come and visit the Cup House. There's a visitor book and there's a donation box. You should do both of those things because it's a nice thing to do if you're going to come check out somebody's cool little house here in North Carolina.
Thousands and thousands of coffee cups laying around. Completely covering the house. Let's walk up on the porch here a little bit. They got a little sign-in thing, so I guess I'll do that. MotoTales. So Collettsville Cup House. Pretty cool. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff, because every time we do, it gets me one step closer to being able to go do the next cool thing. Thanks for watching. Have a good ride.